Alright guys, this is your overview video of the week. We're almost there, the final week of school. We're on week 36. This is the week of May 17th through the 21st. This is actually the week that you'll be coming on campus to complete the math FSA. So when we take a look at this week, let's go into Monday. And this is going to look very similar to last week. Some of those review problems here on this independent practice page. So you'll want to print and complete that. We'll meet at 2 o'clock to go over, review these problems, and maybe even some additional practice. Tuesday, we will plan to meet at 2 o'clock. So just like on Monday, you have a different set of review problems here. So if you are not able to print, just like last week, just make sure that you have a sheet of notebook paper and that you are solving each of those questions on a sheet of notebook paper. So then when we meet, you can check your work. And on, let's see here, Wednesday you will be on campus. So we will not meet after the FSA testing is complete. I know that some of you tend to go out to lunch and you have other things that you're doing while you're out running errands. So on Wednesday, you do have a set of practice problems, and then there's a teacher video that you'll watch to go through and review and check over your work. Thursday is going to be kind of a gift to you guys. There are no additional math assignments. There are actually not any additional assignments because if you see right here, you have completed all of your FSA testing. So enjoy the rest of the day, and then we'll see you back on Friday for a graded classwork review. I know. Thank you, Mrs. Body. So we will not meet Friday afternoon. You just have this review page here. So you will open, solve each question on a sheet of notebook paper, just like you did last week. Do your very best, and that's your week in math. Let me know if you have any questions.